Morning students, how are you all? I hope you have completed the studies exercise of fill in the blanks with the rhyming words of the poem Little Things, which we have seen in the warming up of unit 3.1. So today we are going to start with the poem The Plate of Gold. As we have seen yesterday, this poem is a narrative poem. This poem is going to narrate us one nice story, but it is not written in the rhyming words format, so you will not be finding the second or fourth lines last words are rhyming with each other. But this poem is very interesting, having good moral lessons. Okay, so let us start the poem The Plate of Gold. Okay, the plate of gold. One day there fell in great Banaras temple's court a wondrous plate of gold, whereon those words were writ, to him who loveth best, a gift from heaven. You see, are very interesting. It's just like a story narration only. So one day there fell in great Banaras. You know Banaras city? It is there in Uttar Pradesh, holy city of Hindus. So in that Banaras city, in a temple court, in the courtyard of the temple, one great something fell down. There fell a great banana city in the temple court, a wondrous plate of gold, a wonderful looking a plate made up of gold, golden plate. So one golden plate fell down in the courtyard of the temple in the Banaras city, whereon these words were writ. On that plate, the following words were written. W-R-I-T. Writ means written. It is old form word. So in those words were written following words. What? To him who loveth best, a gift from heaven. Means one the person who loves the God the most. To that person, this is a gift from the heaven. This is a gift of God. For the person who loves the God the most, for that person, this golden plate is a gift from the God, gift from the heaven. So these words were inscribed, written on that golden plate. And then the people or the priest means pujari, priest of the temple, they started thinking what to do of this plate now, whom to give. Okay, there at the priest's made proclamation, and then all the priests means pujari of the temple gathered together, and they decided what to do now. We have to give this golden plate to the person who loves the God the most. And then they made proclamation. What is the meaning of proclamation? Proclamation means announcement, public announcement. Okay, and they announced one thing. What did they announce? See, at the midday hour, means in the afternoon, midday hour, each day, every day, let those assemble who for virtue deem. Means the people who feel that they have good qualities, they have helped the poor people, they should gather in the courtyard of the temple in the midday hour, means in the afternoon. Every day they should gather there, assemble means together, for who for virtue deem, means they feel their virtues means good qualities, their right to heaven's gift, the best. Means they should tell that yes, I have a right to get that golden plate because I have done this good thing, great thing. I have helped the poor people, kind people. Or they should come there with their wishes that yes, I am capable to get that heaven's gift, and we will hear the deeds of mercy. Then we all priests will hear. Hear means listen. The deeds. Deeds means actions. What the person has done, what actions he has done, which shows his mercy and kindness to the poor and needy people. And so we adjudge. Adjudge means to select officially, choose somebody as appropriate person, correct person. And we will adjudge him and we will offer the plate of gold to that person. This was the announcement. And the news ran swift as light. And such news spread very fast in the society. The news spread like wildfire, we can call it. It like spread like a rumor. Rumor means like afwa. It ran as swift. Swift means fast. As swift as light. Here we are seen that ran swift as light is a simile word used. The speed is shown is compared with the light. And soon from every quarter came nobles and munshis and hermits and scholars and holy men. And from every quarter, quarter means here corner. Actually, quarters meaning is 1/4. But here the meaning is from every corner, from every part of the society, every direction of that society or the village or Banaras city. Many people started gathering in the afternoon of the courtyard temple. There were some nobles means sardars, great people, munshis, okay, officials, hermits, it's like saints only, scholars, talented people, and holy men also. They all gathered there to claim, means to tell that yes, I am capable to get that golden plate. Let us see what happens further. Very interesting. And the munshis and nobles and hermits and scholars and holy men, and all renowned for gracious, all renowned means well known. They were well known. They were famous in their own fields for their kind words, kind works also, kind deeds also, and actions also. All the famous for gracious and for the splendid deeds. Meanwhile, the priest in solemn, priest solemn means seriously. These priests were very serious and kind, and we can say that honest also. This serious, honest, and kind priests, they used to counsel. Their council means committee. Their committee used to sit and heard all the people of their actions and deeds, what each one has done to merit best the gift of heaven. To merit means to prove that yes, I am having the highest merit to get that God's gift, golden plate. So for here the claimants came and went. It continued not only for 1 or 2 days. See these announcements, and after that every day the people started coming and telling to the claimants only, claiming to the priests that yes, I am capable to get that golden plate. Such claimant means the person who tells that I have the right to get something. So he was claiming that I want that golden plate. That listening of the priest continued for the next whole year. Means every day one or the other person used to come, they used to listen, and he used to come, they used to listen. The next day another some more people used to come. The next day another few people used to come. So they could not make decision who is the best person, who is the suitable person, who is the appropriate person to get that reward of the golden plate. They used to come and went, and at last, after a patient weighing of the wrath, at last, after a patient weighing of the worth of all, patiently they were listening to all, and then they decided one person suitable to get that golden plate. Let us see who was that person, a lucky person. The priest bestowed means to give something as a reward, as a gift, offer some as a gift to somebody. The priest bestowed or the gifted the plate of gold to one who seemed for them the largest lover of the race. They thought, the priest thought, that person is the largest lover of the race. Here, race means human race, humankind, human people in the society, human beings in the society. The person who loves all the human beings with kindness, whom they feel that he is the best person, they selected him to get that gift of God, gift of golden plate, whose whole estate within a year had been parted. Why did they select him? Because that person had distributed all his wealth among the poor people in the last year. In the last year, he has distributed all his wealth and richness and the money and the jewelry among the poor and needy people in the society. So priests were impressed by this action, deed, and they selected this person is suitable to get that golden plate. And they selected him. This man, all trembling with joy. This man was very happy, excited. Yes, I got selected at last. After the selection committee has listened to hundreds and thousands of people for the last whole 1 year, and they selected me. I am that lucky person, fortunate person. So he was very happy, very joyful. He was trembling with the joy. He advanced to take the golden plate. Advance means came forward. He was coming forward to take that golden plate. When he came near the golden plate and when he touched, lo, means surprised, shocked, always surprised and shocked. At his fingers first touch, when his fingers first touched to that golden plate, it changed to basest lead. That golden plate changed into the best, means the lowest quality metal called lead. Lead means shisha, lead pencil. That type of golden plate become lead plate. Golden plate become the plate of lead, black color. Okay, it was the basest kind of metal, and the golden plate turned into the lead. Always shocked and surprised. Arey, this plate was made of gold, and now the plate has become of lead. How it happened? All stood aghast. All the people stood up in the temple courtyard. Aghast means shocked, surprised. It was incredible for them. They could not believe it. They had not seen it, this type of miracle happening. But when the hapless claimant dropped it, when the hapless means unfortunate, that person was unfortunate because he could not get that golden plate. As he got it, it turned into lead. So this unfortunate claimant means that person who has distributed his wealth dropped it on the floor. He dropped it, means he threw that plate from his hand on the ground by surprise, by shock that yes, sir, this golden plate become lead plate, and he threw it on the floor, on the ground. Heaven's garden. And at that time what happened? Heaven's garden. Garden means reward, heaven's gift. It was golden plate, was heaven's garden. It was heaven's gift, God's gift was again transformed into shining gold. And as soon as that lead plate fell on the ground, it shined with a golden shine. It was with golden color. Once again that lead plate become golden plate. Always shocked and surprised. What's happening? They could not believe in their eyes, okay, that they have seen that the golden plate turned into lead plate in the hand of that person, and when he threw it on the ground the lead plate turned into golden plate once again. It means God was not agree with the selection of the priest. God was not happy. God wanted to tell that this is not the particular person, this is not the appropriate person, this is not the correct person to get my reward, to get my golden plate. So for another 12 months, next year, another 12 months, committee sat, the priests, all the priests sat and again started judging few more people who is the most suitable, most appropriate, most correct person to get that reward. Thrice they rewarded, not once, this was once. Again they rewarded, it again turned into lead. Again they rewarded, third time one person. Third time also the golden plate turned into lead in the hand of that third person. Again when he threw on the ground, it became golden plate. Again 3 times. The priests have made the wrong decision, wrong selection. Meanwhile, a host of poor, and at that time, host of poor people, maimed beggars, some beggars, they would be there. You will find generally when you go to any temple or mosque, outside the temple or the mosque, you will find many beggars, poor, needy beggars, downtrodden people. They would be begging in the streets outside the temple in the hope that the people who visit the temple or mosque will offer them some money as a beg. Many beggars in the street lay all about the temple gate, and all these beggars were laying on the temple gate in the hope to move that love whereby each claimant hoped to win the gift. And they thought that the person who is going to win the golden plate, when you come out, he will give us something. When you win the gift of God, he will be happy, and he will, in that happiness, he will gift us some of his wealth or richness or money or some other thing. With that hope, every day the beggars, many of the beggars used to come outside the temple in the hope that today somebody will win, today, tomorrow somebody will win, maybe in the next week, maybe in the next month somebody will win, and in the happiness he will share his gift with all of us. Maybe he would give us some more donations of money or wealth to us. With that hope, these beggars were waiting every day outside the courtyard of the temple. Now we do not know who had won that reward or the gift of God. So I hope that you have enjoyed this story. The story is not over still. We are going to find out the person who is the best person, suitable person to win that plate of gold. But for that you have to wait till tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll see who is the real kind person who is going to win the gift of God, heaven's gift, or the plate of gold. Okay. Thank you children. We'll stop today. Thank you so much.